What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, coming to give y'all a quick update on ALCHEMIX. You may want to watch this coin. This coin has been beat down. The price on ALCHEMIX is $27. The market cap on ALCHEMIX is about $68 million. It's on COINBASE. It's on Binance. The all-time high for this coin is about $2,000. But CoinMarketCap says the all-time high is $11,000. And one of the most interesting thing about this coin is the maximum supply. The total supply for this coin is less than Bitcoin. The total supply for this coin is 2 million. There's only 2 million of these coins around. Now there's 21 million Bitcoins. So if you can get an ALCHEMIX, the supply is so low, the price will skyrocket. You can get this thing right now for $27. You do not want to wait till it get 200 bucks, but this is another 100x potential coin brought to your boy Stock Holiday. I'm bringing you all the gems. I'm dropping all the 10x coins. This is just a quick video just to give y'all a great alert. Jump in. You do not want to miss this. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.